Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn if-else statements, how to construct and how to learn in Python with the help of ChatGPT. Let's see. I think you know my question right now. Explain if-else statement in Python. Let's check. Just I'm trying to asking my ChatGPT AI tool what it says. Yes. If-else statement in Python used to making a decision-making system. So if any if or conditions are satisfying this or else condition, how we can prepare these statements in control flow to controlling how the flow of execution is going on, making on the decision, how we can prepare this way. This if-else statements will be used. So the statement, like you see, if condition, if it is a true, then only this statement would be executed. If it is a condition is false, this statement automatically will be executed in if-else statements in any programming language. So here also there is a description here, it is there to understand, yes, how you can learn and implement your own way of your own programming conditions. Now go over here, we have a super easy example it is given. Let's take a copy of this code and come back here. Yes, let me create a new Python file. If ChatGPT, got it? Now we just take a paste. Wow, x variable 20 like a 10 and a y variable 20, it's a given. If x greater than y, is it true or false? You just check it very keenly. So it is a condition, is it true or false? I don't know whether it is true or false, just I'm running what is the message I'm getting. Based on that I'll come back and check it. See, x is not greater than y, so the condition, it is not true. When it is not true, automatically else statement will execute and this statement will be print in the output. If I am given like a below value, like let's see something like 5, if I am given, see what is the statement I'll get it. X is greater than y. Why this is a true, like x is greater than y. Then it's a really awesome, and we'll see the examples more and more. All you need to do is like making one, like if any of your decision making system, if you want to construct using if-else statement, what you need to do, ask a ChatGPT to prepare. Yes, so prepare like some match scenario, and this is the match toss is going to be this way, and I want to construct like if-else statements for this program using Python. You just ask a question in that way, you just see the wonders. I hope it's a super easy lecture. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.